Mama is here.
Most camels have 4 legs, 1 tail, 2 eyes, 1 nose.
We could go to Egypt to ride with camels.
True, but we have it in India too.
Really?
Yeah.
Can we go?
Lot of camels we have.
Really?
Yeah.
We can go see?
Yeah, and there are like this double
Double bumps?
bumps camel, but it's in Ladakh.
It's in Ladakh?
Yeah,
So far away.
yeah. We can go next year
Okay.
in Ladakh. You want to go see them?
I want to see camels.
It's nice. I too. Me too, not I too.
Me too. And I want to ride them. I don't want to only see them.
Oh, I never
Yeah.
rode a camel. I rode a horse.
I want to ride. It will go like.
Oh, I didn't know. Podium. Hah? Почему? Почему podium?
Doma?
Doma? It's a doma. Doma?
There's no difference.
No, there is difference. There is
No,
doma
there
and
is
there
no
is
difference.
doma. Doma. No, I said wrong this time. It's doma. Ah. Now she just acted to fall. You know, she didn't fall. Fair.
Yeah.
She drama queen. I think there is.
So how to do this?
I have no idea. I used only Finnish can openers.
Wait, let me see.
Okay,
Let me use my
Mr.
brain.
Engineer.
Yeah, let me
You
use
know?
my brain.
He's an engineer.
No?
Yeah. But I can figure it out, I think.
Or not.
I have no idea.
Okay, which one was closer?
Okay.
Who was closer to?
Can I show it?
Yeah,
Yes.
you can shoot. Oh. I was thinking about that.
Like this.
I don't think I have enough power to push it through.
It's easy.
Yeah. Once you get
Doesn't
in.
look that easy. Everything else looks easy, but except the starting. The starting was like, and we stop this. Okay, do you want to try this?
What is it? Yeah, why not?
To open.
Yeah. Now I can.
Okay.
It was okay. It was here.
Yes. Yes. Yes.
Oh,
You done.
got it.
Yes.
You need so much power.
Not really.
You have to. Sorry. Like this, cause it's the strong here and yes.
Now I don't have idea how to do it.
She made this part look easy.
Oh yeah, like this I think. Like this?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Do you want to say something? Bling bling. Pretty?
This is not the best way to open.
But
It's pretty.
you're opening it, so
Yeah.
well done.